Hi, my name is Casper. I want to show you how to manage partners with Partnerplace. So the first thing you will see is our dashboard. This dashboard is available only to your team, and here you see all of the partners that you have in your ecosystem. Now, there are a few things which you can do with this dashboard. So one of the things is that you can filter and search for different types of data. For example, for different partner types, for different partner tiers, different statuses, and so on. And the cool thing is that you can actually mass select multiple different elements, and you can save it as a search, which will become available to you in this table configuration setting, so that you don't have to do it every time. Now, this is a list of partners, but also of prospects. We make the differentiation, and prospects are partners that are not really yet partners. They are companies that you've met at a conference, that you've spoken to, that you are just trying to reach out to, and you can also add them to this list, and you can keep track of everything from what you've sent to them, what you've when you spoke to them. You can change their tier, and you can match those tiers into different stages. For example, met with them, they are signing an agreement, they are interested, and so on. You can modify this any way you want. Now, after a prospect tells you that they are open for a partnership, you can click here and you can convert them to a partner, which automatically will give them access to the platform. So within the platform, you will have all of your partners. And there are a few things worth mentioning on this screen. So one of them is that you can see here that you can assign multiple different types of partners and tiers of partnerships, but you can also show them the revenue one, the estimated value of the pipeline that they're generating, and there's a very important column which is called last update, which shows you when was the last interaction with that particular partner. Because of this, you can actually figure out to which partners you need to talk to make sure that the relationship is evolving. Now, how to add partners? You can do it in two different ways. So first of all, you can click here, add new, and you can add both prospects and partners to the platform. If you add a partner, they will receive a link to access their account. But you can also must upload them from the administration panel. So if you want, if you have a CSV of your old partners, you can add them in mass to the system, and you can even do it in such a way so that they don't receive any information about the fact that you've added them to the platform, and you just inform them afterwards to log in if you want to, for example, check the data that was first imported. Now, every partner that you have in the system, they have their own dashboard. And if you click here, you can see the dashboard of this partner called Simon Realty. And there are a few things worth mentioning on the screen. So first of all, there's general information about the partner. So for example, what kind of commission they have, what kind of type of partner they are, the tier, and so on. The partner also has access to the screen, and they can see who is their partner manager. They can actually see the email and phone number of that person. And they have a few other things. So at the top, you can see different tabs, and the way you can use those tabs is you can create any sort of link that you want to share with your partners, and you can create them individually for specific partners or in mass to all of your partners, or you can even create links that are only available to your team. Now, it's important to mention that these links can include variables. So, for example, you can actually provide your partner with an individual link that they have, which includes an ID, and because of that, they will not have to look for their information when they are reaching the other side. And the idea for those tabs is to give them quick access to all the important information that you might want to offer them. Documentation, support, book a meeting with you, and so on. You can create as many as you want. Now, there are a few things here which require premium modules. Tasks is a good example, but everything else that you see here on the list is included even in the free version. And you have a summary of the leads from that partner, and actually you can see here there are two different types of leads with this red and gray icon, and this basically means whether the lead was sent from the partner to you or from you to the partner. And you can see that each lead has a status and stage, it has a revenue, and you have a date when it was created, and this is just a summary. You actually have a full list of leads, which I'll share in a later video. You also have the general information for that partner, so they can add up to 25 users on their side with different roles, so owner, marketing, financial development, and so on. They can add a lot of information about their company, such as company description, which ICP they work with. They can even add screenshots and their website link and stuff like that. And below this, they have partner statistics. How many leads they've sent to you, how many leads you've sent to them, how many people have seen them on the partner directory, and so on and so forth. Now, on the right here, you can see a timeline. And this timeline is a place where both you and the partner can actually message each other. And you can send them a message. This will become an email that you send to them. You can also share them individual files that will be only visible to this specific partner. But the beauty of this timeline is that any change that you make on the left, or the partner makes on the left, it gets automatically recorded. So whenever there's a new lead, the lead changes status, there is a new task, you've changed the partner type, anything like that, it will automatically be recorded by the system. Because of that, you have a full transparent overview of the collaboration with this partner. And as you can see, they are color coded so that you know if it's a system change or if it's a message that you received. Now, I will show you this in a later video, but there's also an option to mass communicate with the partners. And with this feature, you can actually send them messages that include images, videos, and files that they will see on their timeline, as well as an email that they will get. So that's for partner management. And this part is the thing that the partner will see. This is actually the first screen that they will receive when they log in. But I will show you other features of the system in later videos.